So what's up guys, it's me again, Jason Star Gaming, and I'm gonna show you joining with my cousin part 1. There's a thunderstorm. Dante DM Blue. That's my cousin. It's building terrain. Okay guys, let's see. Where are you? Hi. Yeah, I look at my skin. Oh, it's a Rubik's Cube. What the heck? My hand is this one. My shoulders. Just wait. Look, everybody! My hand. I'm not hungry. Do you have any stuff? What's here? Pro only. I'm a pro guy. Peace bomb. Have a fight. Do you have a HS? Look at my hand. It's my shoulders. Peace bomb. Why are you glitching? Just wait, guys. Right. Hey, don't kill me! When you kill me, I'm gonna punch you. Drop egg. Sword. Let's type it. Sword. Sword. Yeah, diamond. Put it here. The rocket. Armor. The diamond. So guys, let's start. Diamond, add, and 64. Okay. Look at my skin. Rubik's Cube. What the heck? Look at me! Where are you?
Right here. How do you get that armor?
Why? Who speak Tagalog? Yay! No!
No cheater.
See you guys next time. Bye! Another video.